Hello guys, thank you so much for coming into my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful as I embark on this new journey. I just want to say thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button and hope you guys are feeling amazing. For me, I'm so grateful. I just wanted to give God all the praises, all the thanks, because without him I wouldn't be here. But today this video is not going to be long, but basically what I come to talk about is believe in yourself, people. Believe in yourself. It doesn't matter what the naysayers say. You go for it. You never give up on your dreams and whatever you set out to do. Never give up because somebody say, yo, you ain't gonna make it, you ain't gonna do it. Because guess what? They don't see the great in you. You understand what I'm saying? But you make sure you keep pressing on. You believe in yourself. In Philippians 4 verse 6, it said, be anxious of nothing, but in all things through prayer and supplication, put your requests unto God. Hallelujah. And trust me, he's going to come true for you. Before I start this YouTube journey, I look up to many YouTubers, many YouTubers, comment and like and stuff. And I remember this particular, I think about 3 months ago, when I made a comment and I was like, man, I think I would like to, start my own YouTube channel. And somebody comment underneath it, and they said, man, you ain't gonna get even one subscriber. And I felt discouraged.
Enough respect to Colazsmithtv. Big up.
But then I sit down and I say to myself, I'm not gonna let that person discourage me from doing what I want to do. If it's gonna take 10 years, if it's gonna take whenever, how long it take for me to get subscribers or my channel to grow, guess what? I'll wait, because I know Rome never built in one day. Whatever is for you, no man can't ever stop that. And if God said that's for you, then that's for you.
Y'all to check out Keeping It Real with Andrae. He is absolutely phenomenal. He is amazing, and he is gonna blow up, and he is gonna live a life that he could have never imagined. Keeping it real with Andrae. Keeping it real with Andrae. Hey, keeping it real with Andrae. Keeping it real with Andrae. Hey! I checked out your videos. Let me tell you something. We're not gonna be lazy. You are amazing.
So I see YouTubers start and they got discouraged and they stop posting, because the race is not for the swift, but who can endure, right? So I'm telling you, whatever you want to do in life, you understand, believe in yourself. Others may not believe in you or believe in your dream. And they will try to come and discourage you or try to come and weigh your mind so you can give up. But I'm telling you today, listen to me, whatever you're setting out to do, just pray about it, put in the work, trust the process and wait. You understand what I'm saying? Because guess what? The time will come that you will reap, hallelujah, you'll reap from all the hard work you put in. And having patience. You understand? So so that's all I want to say, man. Just believe in yourself. I'm saying, I'm a young YouTubers, and there are many other YouTubers. Many other YouTubers, young YouTubers like myself. Some I see YouTubers start and they got discouraged and they stopped posting, because the race is not for the swift, but who can endure.
I just want to take a moment to say thank you to each and everyone who have been rocking with me from day one to just now clicking subscribe. The love, the support, the comments, the shares, it means more than you know. We're only getting started. Bigger vibes, real stories, and non-stop content on the way. Road to 10K. Let's go.
So I'm imploring
every YouTubers out there. You know, if you're just starting a YouTube like myself, you know what I'm saying, YouTube channel like myself, just steadfast and wait, because I'm telling you, things will turn around, and I know it's gonna turn around. I believe it's gonna turn around. It doesn't matter how long it take, I know. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for each and every one of you guys out there. You know, I'm saying that hearing my voice can see me. You know, I'm just asking for your support. You know, share my videos, like, you know, subscribe. You know, I'm grateful. Each one help one. Teamwork make the dream work. Love you guys. Have an amazing Monday, and believe in yourself.
See me and see up to the time, you know it's Vybzkartel, and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae. Watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.